for joining us today. My name is Syed Safwan and I have the honor of moderating this panel discussion. Okay, so today's forum bring together five distinguished panelists, each with unique expertise and perspective on total quality management in health, safety and environment. So let me introduce our panelists. First, Muhammad Najib, who is expert in PQM from JKR. Nur Haizia Shikin, who is expert in PQN from MGBC. Nur Zahid Sofia, who is expert in PQM from Jabatan Alam Sekitar. Yasmin Muhammad, who is expert in HSE Manager from Petronas. Nur Amila Akila, who is expert in Safety Officer from Sanabi. So let's start with our first panel, Muhammad Najib. Can you define the PQM and why it is significant to HSE practice?
Okay, good evening everyone. So first of all, thank you for inviting us in this today forums. So I am Muhammad Najib Alim, expert in TQM from JKR. So today I'm here to talk about TQM use in HSE practice within the organization model. So TQM is a comprehensive approach that focuses on long-term success through customer satisfaction. So TQM key principles include customer focus, total employee involvement, and process centeredness. TQM involves all employees in organization to improve product, services, and organization culture. So now let's talk about TQM significant in HSE practice. By applying TQM practice, organization can expect of culture continuous improvement that leads to, firstly, enhanced safety culture. In construction industry, famous for its 3D, dangerous, difficult, and dirty, it encourages all employees to participate in safety initiatives that promote a better approach in preventing incidents, benefiting the construction to reduce accident rates during construction process.
Okay, so why is TQM an effective framework for managing HSE issues in modern organization?
So the reason of TQM framework so effective for HSE practice, firstly is it is holistic approach. TQM integrate HSE consideration into every aspect of organization operation, ensuring a comprehensive approach to risk management. Secondly, it employee involvement. By involving all employees, TQM create a collective responsibility toward health, safety, and environment, resulting in more effective risk identification and management. And lastly, continuous improvement. The focus on continuous improvement means that HSE practice are regularly reviewed and enhanced to keep evolving standards and technologies.
Okay, so my next question, what is the core principle of TQM?
Okay, thank you moderator for the question. The first principle of TQM is continuous improvement. In the context of HSE, this means consistently identifying areas where safety process can be refined or environmental impact can be minimized. For example, regular safety audit and post-incident review can uncover opportunities to implement better procedure or new technologies that prevent future risks. The second principle is employee involvement. TQM emphasizes the value of empowering employer, and in HSE, this translates to fostering a culture where everyone, from manager to on-ground workers, feel responsible for safety and environmental practice, regular training, open communication, and encouraging employees to report potential hazards without fear are essential in creating such a culture. The third key principle is customer focus. But in HSE, the customer can be interpreted as the stakeholder, which is workers, the community, and the environment itself. By prioritizing the well-being of this stakeholder, we ensure safety standard not only meet but exceed compliance requirement, creating trust and a positive reputation for the organization.
Okay, so my next question is, how does focusing on quality help reduce health and safety risks and also improve the environmental sustainability?
Okay. So to answer the question on how focusing on quality can help reduce risks and improve sustainability, it's quite simple. A quality-driven approach ensures that risks are addressed proactively rather than reactively. For instance, by integrate environmental sustainability into quality management, companies can reduce speeds, use the resources efficiently, and mitigate harmful emissions. Similarly, prioritizing a quality and safety system minimize incidents, which not only protect life but also reduce downtime and costs associated with accidents.
My next question is what are the key challenges company face when implementing TQM for HSE?
Alright, thank you for the question, moderator. The key challenge on this HSC, which is the first one, is high implementation cost. As we can see here, TQM in SHE required significant training, infrastructure, and technology investment. Every company need and must upgrade their system, adopt advanced some safety protocol, and train employees at all levels to ensure that there doesn't have any delay or training the implementation processing. For the next one is complex regulatory compliance, health safety and environment differentiate very widely across regions and industry. So every company need to mitigate all the complex landscape to ensure that QM system meet not only the local but also in industrial standard. The next one is the monitoring and measuring performance. So as we can see here, effective TQM for HSE realize how monitoring safety incidents helps to collecting and analyze any data for the real-time challenge. So as for the outdated or effective monitoring system may fail to provide any actionable insights or limiting effective of TQM in initiative. So the last one is resisting the change. TQM often encounter resist from employees and management who view an additional burden rather than value editing initiative. So as you can see here, it can undermine the program's success, leading to incomplete implementation or inconsistent areas to standard.
Okay, thank you. So the next question is, what the solution or strategies to overcome the challenges?
So the solution or the strategy that some company takes is cost optimizing through the phase implementation, which is every company can adopt a phase implementation strategy instead of rolling out the TQM. They also can start with the high risk areas where HSE issues are the most pressing. The next one is streamline regulatory compliance system, which is every company should invest in digital compliance management tools to mitigate regulatory challenges, so that all the tools can track regulatory change, provide real-time update, and generate compliance report automatically. The third one is leverage technology for monitoring and data analysis. So as we can see here, every company can utilize modern technologies such as IoT, AI, and so on for effective monitoring. So all the tools can provide real-time data on workplace safety, environmental impact, and compliance level. And the last one is cultivating a culture of quality and safety. So in here, we can overcome resistance to change, require a culture shift, which is every leader in the company must actively promote the importance of the TQM for HSE to clear communicating, training, and incentive.
Alright, my fifth question, what is the TQM tools and technique required for HSE improvement?
Okay, thank you, moderator, for the questions. And to answer the question, the first total quality management TQM tools that I'll be discussing is Six Sigma. So what is Six Sigma? Six Sigma is a data-driven methodology focused on reducing defects and variability in process. Aims to achieve near perfect performance by identifying and eliminating the root cause of errors. And for example, a manufacturing plant experienced a high rate of near miss involving machine guarding. A Six Sigma team was formed to investigate the root cause. Through data analysis, they found that a significant portion of the near miss occurred during machine setup and maintenance. By implementing standardized procedures, providing additional training and improving machine guarding design, the team was able to reduce miss by over 50%. And the second TQM tools is quality audits. So what is quality audits? Quality audits are systematic and independent examinations to determine whether activities and related results comply with plan arrangements and with quality requirements. And the example of how quality audits can enhance HSE performance is a healthcare facility conducted a regular internal audits of its infection prevention and control practices. These audits help to identify gaps in hand hygiene compliance, inadequate waste disposal procedures, and deficiencies in staff training. By addressing these issues, the facility was able to significantly reduce the risk of healthcare-associated infections.
Okay, my last question is, what are the potential benefits of using TQM to manage HSE and how company can measure and tracking the improvement?
Thank you, moderator. So, for answer the questions of benefits, the first one is TQM can help to create a culture of continuous improvement, which can lead to safer workplaces, fewer accidents, and better compliance with safety rules. The second one is when companies focus on the quality, they can reduce risk and make the work environment safer, which can improve the employee happiness and also productivity. The last one is showing a strong commitment to safety and the environment can enhance a company's reputation, making it more appealing to potential employees and customers who care about this issue. For the next is on how companies can measure and track improvement in HSE is it can use simple tools and indicator. They can look at key performance indicator of KPIs like the number of accidents, reports of near misses, and feedback from employees to see how well their safety efforts are working. The next is a regular checks and assessment can help ensure that the company is following TQM principles and safety standards. So by looking at this data over time, company can spot trends and areas that need improvement so that it can help them make better decisions to enhance safety and quality in the workplace.
Okay, thank you to all the panel. As we wrap up, I want to thank you again to each of our panelists for sharing their valuable insight and expertise. Your contribution have truly enriched today's discussion on TQM and HSE. So before we conclude, I encourage you all to continue the conversation beyond this forum. Stay connected, share ideas, and take the insight gained here today into your own work and communities. Thank you once again for being a part of today's forum, and have a wonderful day for everyone.